Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or preview form data before submission in Formidable Form Pro plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Pro plugin. So we are using Formidable Form Pro plugin. Now go to Form Builder. So this is our form and we are using Pro plugin version, and then you see advanced field and now you see summary. So drag and drop it like this. Now you see next, page 2 edit, and then you see summary edit. Summary, this field display a summary of value entered on previous pages. So click on it. On left side you see field option and then you see summary field ID 19. So you can add label according to requirement, and then you see CSS layout classes. If you want, you can select these. Now select 100% width. Now close, and then you see summary option. If you want, you can exclude field from summary. Now click on it. Now you see name, last, email, subject, message, submit. If you want, you can exclude according to requirement. Now close, and then you see show these auto exclusive field type. If you want, you can enable or disable. And then you see advanced and conditional logic. If you want, you can add field description and then click on update. We are using Pro plugin, and then you see form was successfully updated. Now go to form page and refresh the page, and then you see next button. So we are going to fill this form. Now add name, last name, email, subject, then add some text in message and then click on next. Now you see summary label. You see name, last name, email, subject, message. If you want, you can click on edit, and if you want, you can click on submit. So it's up to you. If you want to click on edit, now back form. Now you see form submission data. Again click on next. Now you see form preview before submission. You see all detail and then click on submit. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.